In this video, I'll show you how to sell products using a Facebook page from your phone. Selling through a page allows you to promote your products, reach more people, and connect directly with customers. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages your page. Tap the menu icon, then go to Pages and select your business page. Once your page opens, tap Create Post to start promoting your product. Upload clear photos or a short video of the product you want to sell. After adding the images, write a simple description that explains the product, its features, and the price. Make sure the details are clear so people understand what you are offering. You can also include information about delivery, payment method, or how customers can place an order. Next, add a call to action such as asking people to send a message if they want to buy the product. When everything is ready, tap Post to publish it on your page. Your followers will now be able to see the product, comment on the post, or message you for more information. Respond quickly to messages so you can build trust with potential buyers and complete more sales. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.